Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Lovely to see you all. Thank you for joining us. I hope you are all well. I hope you're having a good trading day. As you know by now, guys, I'm with you for about 45 minutes or so, maybe longer. If we get into one and we start chatting away, then maybe longer. Who knows? The best plan's no plan. That's not true. You need a plan in trading. Ignore what I just said. But yes, it's your opportunity, guys, to get as many questions as you can over to me. It can be to do with anything to do with trading, guys. All right. So get as many questions as you can over to me. Your questions are my fuel. I'll also show you a couple of trades that I'm looking at. I'm in one trade as we speak, and I'm looking at another trade now as well. So I'll show you those first of all. And also come say hello. Don't be shy. Come say hello. Give us your questions. And we will crack on and do all of these things. There's no news today, guys, so we won't pay any attention to that. There's a bit of news later on, but not during the live stream. All right. So that's the plan. Let's get started. I'd like to first start off by thanking Aya Masillo. Aya Masillo, thank you very much for becoming a YouTube member and supporting our channel. And take advantage of all the free perks that it brings, Aya. And if you've got any questions, Aya, then we will give you priority. Okay, so if you've got any questions, fire them at me. Colin, US dollar yen is on a tear. Yes, it is. It never broke that level that we were speaking about, Colin. So just stay out. And it is on a tear. Alkaline King, where have you been? I haven't heard from you in a while. Can we look at oil? We can look at oil, no problem. US dollar yen goes up. Aussie, I agree. Denny, hi Tom, good day everyone. Hi Denny, how are you, mate? The trading guide. We got your prediction for the analysis challenge. I remember your name, Trading Guide. Hello, Hope Searchlight. I love this name. It's so inspiring. Hope Searchlight. Blessing. We also like this name. Hello. I'm trapped on this oil. Hello, Rob. Alkaline King. You haven't been trading. Taken a bit of a break. And that's okay now and again, guys. Sometimes you'll need a little break. Like you need a break from work, you will need a break from trading now and again. Unless you run a YouTube channel, then you will never have a break. Father Sunglasses, Aussie, Old Man Abroad. Hello. Imaginary. Hello, everyone. Bind, Hamid. Okay. Hello, guys. How is everyone? I'm going to start today by looking at a trade I am currently in. I put this in my VIP Discord channel, guys, as I do with all my entries. I put them in the VIP Discord channel. So EURUSD was one such trade. And what are we looking to do, guys? Well, we are looking to do this. So on the day chart, as you know, this was part of my analysis vid. Price was in a downtrend, but then it broke, and then it's been in an uptrend stroke range. It's been ranging between these two levels. Okay. And then we had this bullish candle, push out of the bottom of this range. Okay. And it closed above the moving average 20. These little things I look for just gives me extra confidence. And guys, but potentially my higher time frame targets up here. All right. But let's take a look at the entry candle that I got in on. So it was this candle here, guys. So price, as you can see on the H1, if we just follow H1 structure. So arguably this actually, guys, arguably this. Okay. So it's come back down and tested these last lows here on the H1. Okay. then you know what I'm looking for, guys. It's no secret what I'm looking for. Yeah, I'm looking for a bullish reaction. And this kind of reaction tells us that buyers have taken control. All right. This is bigger than this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle. Yeah, it's bigger than every selling candle that we've had. All right. I did wait for a little bit. We managed to get a retrace down to 1.4710. So we entered about here, guys. All right. My stop is below here, or my hedge, whatever you use. My hedge is down here. And my first target is here, these last highs. Yeah. I will take profit at that level, regardless if my higher time frame target is another 50, 60 pips away. I will take some profit. So once price reaches these highs, if it reaches these highs, yeah, I will close 80% of this trade. All right, guys. So yeah, that's the trade I'm in now. So we'll see how this goes. What I would like to have seen is this high broken, yeah, with this candle here, but it didn't quite. We got a bit of a wick, but it's okay. It's okay. At least it's bullish. All right. So yeah, first target back up to here, take some profit, let it run. So I am in Euro Canadian dollar as we speak. And as I said, guys, I put this in my VIP Discord channel, along with all my trades. So that's what I'm in. I'm also looking at pound Swiss franc again, as you know, from my analysis vid this morning. It's coming down nicely. So if we look at the day chart, guys, first of all, you can see pound Swiss franc. We are in an uptrend stroke range. Yeah, we're ranging between these two levels. But we are in an uptrend because we've got higher highs and these lows have held. Okay. And we got this bullish reaction. So the first target was just up to this blue line. As you can see, we haven't quite hit it. And my second target would be up to here, the top of the range. Again, guys, if we look at price right now, let's look at the H4 actually. It's more of a H4 play. So a couple of things here. We like the area that we are in. Yeah, because price, you know, there was this level here that was holding and it's broken this level through here. Okay, and now it's retraced into this zone. There's a couple of buts here. Yeah, if the H4 candle finishes like this, yeah, we've still got what? We've still got another 51 minutes. That's how quick I am with mathematics. We've still got another 51 minutes, but if the candle finishes like this, I am not interested. Yeah, why the hell would I want to buy a candle that looks like that? Yeah, I won't. So we really need to see what this H1 candle does. You know, if we go to the H1 chart now, if we get a candle, yeah, that really pushes back up, turns into a green candle, not sure that's even possible, but you get my gist. If this candle has a very bullish reaction, then maybe, yeah, maybe we can start to look for buys. Okay, so yeah, that's one trade I'm in and one trade I'm looking at as we speak. Right, so there you go, guys. Let's take a look at a few of your questions. So, okay, so a few people want Euro, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. Those trades were bid and gone. Yeah, those were yesterday's trades. I made profit on Euro, Aussie dollar. Okay, but we can take another look. So Aussie Primer wants to look at oil and Alkaline King would like to look at oil. Okay, let's have a look at oil then. The black gold. I always feel it necessary to say the black gold. I don't know why. Oil. Yeah, this, every time I mention oil, I have to mention this resistance level. This resistance level was, you know, more resistant than the Milan defense in the 90s. Yeah, there's a football reference and an old one. But anyway, this resistance is crazy. Yeah, it has been going since November 22 up to August 23. This resistance has held for almost a year. Yeah, so it's good resistance, right? So we would expect, some sellers at this level. Yeah, and that's what we've got. We've got sellers, but look at these wicks. Okay, so on the weekly chart, it's not clear. It's not clear what to do. It's not telling me to short it because of these wicks. And it's not telling me to buy it because, like I said, this is the best resistance since AC Milan in the 90s. All right. If we look at the day chart, let's get a little bit more information. So I would say we're seeing a breakdown. Yeah, because we are getting lower highs. Yeah, are we getting lower lows? Yeah, not quite. Yeah, maybe by a pip or two, but we're definitely getting lower highs. So this encourages us to look for shorts. Okay, so therefore, this last high becomes very important. All right, this last high here. So if this high holds, maybe it comes back up to here and it holds. Yeah, we get a bearish reaction. I think we can come lower. All right. But if it breaks this level, then again, we're back in an uptrend. So this level here is important. Could we start shorting? So just looking at this chart right now, yeah, if I had to trade oil, because we know this is weekly resistance, yeah, and we're potentially seeing, the start of a downtrend. We're below the moving average 20. Yeah, my inclination with this pair would be to short it. All right, so my inclination would be to short this pair. But let's look at the H4 to see if we can find some areas to short it. So the thing is, we're not going to short it now, yeah, because if you just follow H4 structure, yeah, we are in an uptrend, okay? So will it make it all the way up to here? It might do, because we're in a H4 uptrend. And then once price makes it up to here, or maybe it just starts breaking down here. But what I want to see, guys, is a breakdown in structure. Maybe it comes up to here, we get a bearish reaction, and then we get a break of structure. Yeah, then I would be keen on selling oil. Okay, but right now, like I say, because of that day chart and the weekly, my bias is to short this pair, but on the lower time frames, we're in uptrends. Yeah, even if we looked at H1, this would be in an uptrend. Yeah, so you can see, guys, it tried to come down from this level and then bang, we're in an uptrend. All right, so yeah, that's what I'm seeing on oil. It maybe not give you a definitive answer right now, but the market is not giving me a definitive answer right now. So yeah, wait and see what oil does. If it starts breaking down, look for shorts. Right, let's see who else we have in the house. Hamid, hello and good evening, Tom. I would like to know if there are certain months for you in which the attractiveness of the trade is more or less. Not really, Hamid. Obviously there's some really quiet Christmas trading. I tend to take a couple of weeks off over Christmas. Yeah, and the summer, everyone talks about the summer, but I've still been finding setups. So in a word, no. Yeah, I just trade my setups. Regardless of time of year, whatever it is, all I focus on is my setups, because, you know, the time of the year and volume in the market, these types of things, I can't control. I don't want to control them. Yeah, but I can control what I do. All right. So again, it just goes back to control the controllables. Yeah. And that's you, your emotions, your strategy, and your money and risk management. You can control those things. The rest of them you cannot. All right. Right, what else are we looking at? So, Yempez, please. Happy days, mate. Hi, Coprod. How are you, mate? Hi, Russ. Please share the Discord link. Editor, can we share the Discord link for the VIP Hope? Or, well, we've got both, guys. We've got a free Discord channel where we've got lots of traders sharing ideas, knowledge. We've got psychology, indicators, etc. And then we have the VIP Discord, where you get access to me throughout the trading day. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas. I give you exclusive content every week. And we also have access to a performance coach. So yeah, lots of value in the VIP Discord, but you do have to pay for the VIP Discord. The free Discord does what it says on the tin. It's free. So yeah, check them out, guys. The editor will leave the links now. All right. They're also in the video description if you're interested. Right. Costas, pound Canadian dollar long. Okay. I was looking at this myself. Let me take a quick drink. And guys, if I could just ask everyone, yeah, if you're new to the channel, if you could please subscribe to the channel right now, yeah. If you could also smash the notification button so you receive an alarm every time we post a vid. And if I could ask everyone to take 1 second and smash the like button, that would be much appreciated and it helps support the channel. Thank you very much. So yeah, pound Canadian dollar. So euro Canadian dollar was my trade. This was the one I was interested in. Pound Canadian dollar, almost. But let me tell you what, this is an old one. Let me tell you what put me off. It was the weekly chart. Okay. So as you know, guys, I start with the weekly, yeah, and then work my way back. Yeah, sometimes even down to the M15, all right? And it's as simple as this, yeah? I just cannot buy that candle. And that's it, pretty much, Costas. Yeah, I just cannot buy that candle. Yes, it's in an uptrend. Yeah, and even on the daily, it looks like a really nice setup, which we'll look at in a minute. But I cannot buy this candle. Yeah, because firstly, it's at resistance. Yeah, these highs are holding. Yeah, this could even be, you know, because these are holding, this could even be a change in structure. We don't know. And this could take weeks, months. But I cannot buy that candle. And that's the only thing that put me off, Costas. Otherwise, I agree with you. It's a good trade because, and this is another reason why I look at all the different time frames, guys. Yeah, because if I was trading just the daily, this daily is a lovely setup. It really is. Yeah, because if you look at the daily, yeah, we're in an uptrend. Yeah, price has come back to a nice level of support. We've also got the moving average 20. Yeah. And we've got a bullish green candle. So Costas, I totally agree with you. This, you know, if I just saw this on the day chart, I would be thinking this is an excellent buying opportunity. And it still might be. It could quite easily come back up. Yeah. So it ticks every box on the day chart. Yeah. So we've got structure, tick. We've got support resistance, tick. We've got bullish candle, tick. We've got value, tick. Yeah, this really does tick every box. But I look at the weekly chart and I cannot buy that. Cannot buy that. So, Costas, I stay out of the market. You know, I stay out of the market. If you said, Tom, you have to trade it, let's have a look at H4. Then I would trade it. I'm going to move this gray zone. I would trade it if it broke through this last high here. Yeah. If we got, a break of this level, these last highs, if we got a break here, retest, then I might start buying it. But you can see already, we're getting a extremely bearish reaction at these last highs. All right, so very reluctant to buy this pair on the H4. All right, so there you go, Costas. Yeah, I get what you're saying, but for me, no trade. Nuno Nunes, the pacey winger from Portugal. I don't even know if you are from Portugal, but you do sound like you're from Portugal and you sound like a good football player. Everyone with a South American or European name, apart from the UK, sounds like you are a very good footballer. Anyway, right. So Lazarus and Nuno Nunes would like to look at Aussie dollar Swiss franc. So let's do that. Let's take a look. I'm just going to take a quick look at my Euro CAD trade because I'm seeing pound CAD do this. Yeah, this would alert me. Okay, so this is, so this is also coming down. All right, but I'm going to put my alarm down here. If it breaks this level, then, we're out of the trade. Okay, but like I say, we've still got an hour to go with, 37 minutes to go with this candle. So let's see. If it breaks this level, okay, we might have a losing trade. If we get a big ping up from this level, then we might have a winning trade, okay? But nothing's telling me to get out of this trade as yet because this H1 candle hasn't finished forming. Yeah, we need to let this candle finish forming. Right, what are we looking at? Aussie dollar Swiss franc. So on the weekly, it's important to point out that we are at this level. But the thing with this is it could come down to here because we have such a large wick. It makes the support crazy. Yeah, what's the pips here? Look at the pips here. That's a 360 pip support area. Yeah, I get it. That's silly. But, I need to be aware of that. Yeah, buyers could come into this market at any point. Yeah, buyers could come in here. They came in before, they could come in again. All right. So what are we seeing? So weekly, we're in a downtrend. Okay. It's a little bit oversold. And, just look how the candles change, guys. This is an important little bit of learning. Yeah. We like to learn, on this channel. So, bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle, bearish candle. Sellers are in complete control and there are very little wicks at the bottom, if anything. Yeah. When sellers start to slow down, you will start seeing bigger wicks at the bottom. Yeah. That eventually those bigger wicks will turn into green candles. All right. And that's just looking at candlesticks. Yeah. So have we got, a bit of a retrace on our hands here? Maybe. Let's look at the day chart now. Okay. I mean, on the day chart, I like this trade a couple of days ago. Yeah. I like this candle here, but then we got this bullish candle here. So I like this trade less. I was considering shorting this back down to these lows because we're literally at the moving average 20. Yeah, there is a bit of value in the day chart. But, you know, are we seeing this? Is this higher lows? Yeah, we don't know. But that's what I'm beginning to see. You know, so it depends. If we get this candle here, yeah, and it finishes like this today, then okay, I would start looking for shorts again. But I really need a break of this level. So if we look at that on the H4, yeah, you can see there's this, you know, let's expand this. There's this level through here. Yeah, I would really need to see a break of this low. That's that last daily low. If we got a break, retest, then we could come lower. You know, is there enough value in the market? What's this? 64 down to 20. Yeah, okay, got about 40 pips if we get a retrace. Yeah, so we'll see, guys. But for me to start shorting this, I need a break of these lows. Okay, and then on the day chart, what would be confirmation of a structure change would be a higher high. So where we're at now is this. Yeah, and let's say we've got this area of resistance here. Let's say price does this and then we break. Then I will change my idea of this market. I'll be looking to buy this pair, okay, if this holds. And that's just simple structure of the market, following trend. Yeah, you know, nothing too complicated, guys. So yeah, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, not a trade for me today or now, but we will reassess this tomorrow, okay, and we'll take a look then. What else are we looking at? Yatin, you are late. Big punishment for being late. No, I'm only joking. I'm only joking, guys. We really appreciate everyone who comes on the channel, and we appreciate all your questions every week, guys, every day even. You know, and we enjoy your questions on the live stream. So thank you. Yeah, we enjoy doing it, guys. Neju Najob, hello, my favorite YouTuber. Neju, you are now my favorite trader. Yeah. I am very fickle and open to bribery and everything. Yeah. So yeah, nice, say nice things. You become my favorite. Okay. What else are we looking at, guys? All right, let's have a look at this. So imaginary. Tom, let's analyze euro US dollar as price is on a downtrend recently, but at a support level in terms of trend line. How would you trade this pair? Euro US dollar, I would short without even looking at it, but let's take a look. So again, well, let's do this one together. Yeah, Denny, any quiz? Great minds think alike, Denny. Let's do a quiz, right? Let's do a quiz. So okay, so we're going to leave this like this. Let's start with the weekly chart. We're going to do a quiz, guys. You are going to analyze this pair. Okay. So first question of the day. Drum roll, please. I've brought in a drummer especially for the live stream. You just can't hear him. Okay. What is the trend? Right. Yeah. Simple question to start with. Euro US dollar weekly chart. What is the trend of this pair? Just the weekly chart. What's the trend? You tell me, guys. I'm going to have a drink. I like a quiz because I can just drink vodka. Well, Yatin, we're going to find out. Okay. It's a downtrend. Yeah. If in doubt, get your epic pen out. Yeah. I'm a poet and I don't even know it. Yeah. Just follow the market. Yeah. Yeah. Would you agree with that? That's what we're seeing. So when this last low in here breaks, with this candle here, we are now in a downtrend for the first time in weeks. Okay. So that would lead me to believe, yeah, we could potentially take price, let's drag this out a little bit. We could potentially take price down to this level. All right. Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah. And just look at those candlesticks, and we know this. If you just look at the dollar index, the dollar's been like the strongest thing since Arnold Schwarzenegger in the 70s. Yeah. And there's no reason why we can't make our way down to here. All right. So weekly chart, yeah, we're in a downtrend. Now we're going to drop down to the day chart. Okay. I'm not going to ask you the trend because it's quite obvious. Yeah. We're in a downtrend. Bit of a range here, and then it's been breaking down. Okay, breaking these last lows, which were those weekly lows. But if I said to you, yeah, right now, what would you do with euro US dollar on the day chart only, guys? Yeah, on the day chart, would you buy this pair? Would you sell this pair, or would you stay out of the market? Okay, yeah, give us your answers, guys. Buy euro US dollar, sell, stay out. These are your only three options, guys. Keep it binary. There's three options. That's not binary, but you know what I mean. Okay. Yeah. So we've got to bear in mind, guys. Yeah. We don't know this candle. If I go back in time, like Michael J. Fox, lots of references today. And we was at this point. Yeah, you'd probably be thinking, okay, maybe we're going to retrace a little bit, maybe into here or even up to here. Yeah. And now if we come out of this, we're getting a bearish reaction at this support level, but it's very close. I would stay out. I would stay out of the market, but also would be interested in selling at this level. Yeah, because it's these last lows over here. So if price got to there during today, which it has, then I'd be interested in selling, because it's still, if we look at the moving average 20, yeah, price is not a million miles away. Yeah, there's still value here. Yeah, there's still a bit of value. Okay. Obviously not as good a value as coming up to here and then we come back down, but there's still some value here. Okay. So stay out, almost a sell. All right. But if I saw these two candles, it wouldn't be a sell today. Yeah. But you can imagine I wake up tomorrow morning, I see this bearish candle on euro US dollar, then it will get me thinking. I'm not saying I would sell this, but we're getting a bearish reaction. And what I like about this trade is, we've got a bit of room to move into. Yeah, back down to here. All right. Okay, let's carry on. Let's do H4. So if we looked at H4, you know, I mean, right now you wouldn't sell it, yeah? But if we just follow H4 structure, once price come back up to here, we know this could potentially be a pretty good sell, yeah? We're in a downtrend on the day chart. We're in a downtrend on the weekly chart. We're in a downtrend on the H4. You know, weekly, daily, H4 are all telling us to short. Yeah, that's a lot of confluence. And then price has got back up to these H4 highs here and this grey zone. Yeah, bearish reaction. We can take price potentially back down to here. I would take some profit, leave some money on the trade to run. So as a whole, Euro US dollar wouldn't, is a pretty good sell idea. Yeah, there's no value in it now. Yeah, I'm not going to enter. I'm not going to sell here, put my stop here, because my first target would be here. Yeah, and this is my risk. This is my reward. Yeah, that just, yeah, you don't have to be trading long to know that is a bad risk to reward. Yeah. So at the start of the day, up here, it was a good trade. Let's see if we got a bearish H1 reaction up there. And yes, we did. Yeah, we got a nice bearish reaction up here. Okay. At this level. So potentially Euro US dollar earlier on was a good short trade. Okay. But for us to look at this trade again tomorrow, let's see how this daily candle finishes. All right. So yeah, Euro US dollar, I would have sold that, to be honest. Yeah. And it still might come lower. So yeah, I like your thinking, Imaginary. What else, guys? So yeah, guys, let me just mention also, I did mention the free Discord channel earlier on. So come join that. It's free. There's loads of great things in there. So come join the free Discord. We've also got the VIP Discord. So you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me. You can ask me questions. You get my trade ideas. We give you exclusive content every week. We have other expert traders sharing their trade ideas. And we've got access to a fully qualified performance coach if you need help with trading performance. So loads of value in there, guys. So come join the VIP Discord. The editor will put the link in the live chat and it's in the video description. Secondly, guys, what else have we got? Yeah, we've got the mentorship program. If you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. Again, the email is in the video description and the live chat. And also, guys, if you watch the live streams every day, you watch my analysis vids, then you can support the channel. You can become a member. Aya did it earlier on. Thank you, Aya. Yeah, and you can, from as little as under $2 a month, yeah, you can just support the channel and you get some really cool perks as well. So check that out. The link is in the live chat. And it's in the video description. And I was going to say, don't forget the live stream, but of course you haven't. You're here. You haven't forgot it. This is good. All right. What else have we got in today, guys? Imaginary, you're welcome. Yatin, you're welcome. Whale Rider, welcome. The person who rides whales. This is wonderful. Hey, Tom, just arrived home. Nice to be here with you guys. Cool. Welcome aboard. Right, guys, Russ wanted to look at yen pairs. So all you need to know about yen pairs is this. Look at US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah. It was really a case of will it, won't it? All right. So if we look at okay, this is an interesting question. I'm going to do this. Right. US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah. Looking at this chart right now, I've gone back in time. I haven't included today's candle. Yeah. If you had to look at this, what is the trend? on US dollar, Japanese yen on the day chart? What's the trend? Okay. All right. So we've got some conflicting views so far. One saying uptrend, one saying downtrend, downtrend. Yatin is and I can understand why it's Yeah, it's not. The reason I asked you guys is it's not as black and white as you think, because you know, if we analyze charts, we're looking for higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Yeah, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. We don't make a higher high. So first of all, we don't make a higher high. And then secondly, this low is broken with this candle. So, you know, that is a downtrend. Okay. It's not a clear cut downtrend. And it's not like I was looking for shorts at this level. I wasn't. Yeah. Because, you know, we know this is a good support level. All right. But, you know, just technically, that is, yeah, lower lows. It is. That is lower lows. Yeah. So technically, it is a downtrend, and this candle still doesn't break these highs. Okay. It's not until today. Yeah. So let's exit this. It's not until today, and today still hasn't finished. But if the candle finishes like this, then we're clearly back in an uptrend. All right. But it wasn't clear. Yeah. It wasn't clear before today. So yeah, US dollar yen, this, like I say, this tells you everything you need to know about the yen. The yen is weak. Yeah. Also, the dollar is strong, but the yen is weak. Yeah. Let's have a look at any yen pair. Let's have a look at euro yen. Where's euro yen? Yeah. Weak. Yeah. Look at the day chart. But again, yeah, look at this. This is interesting here as well. So this is why you haven't seen yen pairs in my daily setups. You know, the analysis vid that I give you, my trades that I'm looking at. You haven't seen this because of this, you know, and so here we go. So that was the last higher low. Yeah, we're not making higher highs. Yeah, another red flag that we could be changing, trend. Okay, and then it breaks down. Yeah, we start to get lower lows. Okay, so this is also potentially breaking down. Yeah, which is why, you know, I wasn't interested in this pair and buying this pair. Okay, because it was breaking down. We're getting lower lows. But ever since then, we've had bullish reaction. So, you know, it's going to make its way back up to these last highs. And then it'll be really interesting to see what it does. Because for me, this is still in a downtrend. Yeah, still in a downtrend. Lower lows. We're in a downtrend. If price comes back up to here and we get a bearish reaction, it could potentially be a good sell trade. But as we speak right now, we're seeing yen weakness. Yeah. What else are we seeing? And what might be a driver of that is the indices. So let's take a look at the indices. If we look at the NASDAQ. So generally speaking, yeah, if the indices start coming back up, yeah, we're going to start seeing yen weakness. Okay. Because if you think about it, guys, Japanese yen is a flight to safety currency. So if in the economy, if the shit hits the fan and everything starts coming down like this, yeah, then generally speaking, the yen will gather strength because it's a flight to safety. If the economy starts pushing back up, then the yen will become, the yen will become weak. Yeah, sorry, this is not. Yeah, so let's do that again. Yeah, if the economy, bear me 1 second. So if the indices start coming down, yeah, then the yen will get strength. Okay, we will see strength in the yen. So US dollar yen will start to come down. Yeah, we will see yen strength. All right. But if we start seeing a bullish reaction in the markets and the economy is doing well, then we will see yen weakness. Okay. And US dollar yen will go up. Generally speaking, this is a correlation that you must be aware of, guys. Yeah. So that's what will drive the yen. But the yen is weak today. I mean, look at pound yen. Yeah, it's coming back up. But again, yeah, it's in a downtrend. Yeah, lower lows. We're in a downtrend. We didn't make lower highs, which could also be an indicator of the indices. The economy hasn't finished coming down. Maybe the economy has further to go if we look at the structure of these yen pairs. Yeah, so understanding that correlation, can help with understanding the markets in general. All right, guys. Yeah, you do need eagle eyes on that US dollar yen, I must say. Let's have a look at euro pound. The Mask of Zorro has bought at 8583. Euro pound. Where are we? Let's have a look at. So euro pound, I don't like this level. If you are buying, yeah, because we're in a downtrend. Yeah, and we've come back to this important level here. So it's about this level for me, euro pound. If we get a bearish reaction at this level, I think we can come back lower. If we get a break of this level, I think we're going to come higher. Okay? Because we're in a range. Yeah, we're in a range. It's ranging from here to here. Yeah, this is the higher time frame range. If you look on the weekly chart, we're ranging. All right. But yeah, this is a really important level. Okay. So if I was in a buy trade, I would probably take some profit here. Take some profit, leave some profit to run. Because if it does break this level, we've got lots of room to move into. But if it doesn't, it's going to come back and push down to this level. Okay. You can see we had a bit of a reaction there yesterday. If we drop down to the H4 now, yeah, even the market doesn't know what to do. You can see that here, guys. So Euro US dollar was in an uptrend, still is, but you can see it's found resistance here. And now it's come back down. It'll be interesting to see if it finds resistance again at this level. Yeah, so if you're in a buy, what are you in? 85, 83. Okay, you're in no profit as yet. That was a risky buy, Mask of Zorro, because you are buying into resistance, and we do not want to do that. If you were going to buy down here, yeah, depending on if you get a setup, and then you can take price back to here. But I would not be buying here. There's resistance here. The market has shown you that. All right, guys. And guys, if I could just ask everyone, if you enjoy my analysis, enjoying the live stream, if you could please subscribe to the channel right now, if you haven't already. And if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button, guys. Yeah, help support the vid. We're going to call it a day there, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Like I say, thanks for joining us, guys. We appreciate all your questions. Your questions are my fuel, and I enjoy these live streams, apart from losing my voice, but that's what the vodka's for. And guys, I will see you same time again tomorrow. Have a great trading day. See you later.